how to install Stremio on Samsung Smart TV.
So first, you need to install the downloader app on your device. If you haven't done this, refer to the steps below. Open up the downloader app and launch the downloader and click the URL bar. Type the code for the Troy Point toolbox, which is 250931, and click on go. You're now presented with the toolbox home screen. So in here, scroll down and locate the Stremio app from Fire TV and Android TV boxes. Click download and click install. Now click done, click delete to remove this installation file, click delete again, then locate Stremio in your installed apps and launch it. Now you must now link your Stremio account with the application. You can log in with the QR code or open the designated link in a browser on your phone, tablet, or computer. You have successfully installed the app on your device, and then before viewing content within Stremio, you should first connect to a VPN to mask your IP address and encrypt your connection to the internet. After you've installed Stremio and connected VPN, you can now start installing the best add-ons.